What's going on, everybody? Back at you with another video. This is Kevon from Conventures, and today we're going to be talking about OLSP. We're going to be covering what is OLSP, is it on the skim around, what's the process behind it, and are there better options? Please stick around until the end because you will have everything you need to make a well-informed decision. Plus, as always, I have a special free gift just for you. But of course, for those of you that do not know who I am, and that kind of stuff. Like, why should you care about what I have to say? Allow me to give you some backstory. Backstory no jutsu. My name is Kevon. I've been making money online for the past 3 years. It all started during the COVID pandemic, with most of these jobs requiring you to work from home. It was a complete disaster. I had a job and everything at the time. I was one of the few people who still had to physically go to their job. I was a custodian. But of course, when you add inflation to the mix, you have a serious problem because the pay wasn't enough, and then the inflation is making everything so expensive. So I said, I'm going to try some of these online business models because there has to be more than just this. This can't be the end. So to my surprise, I saw success from some of them, but some of them were also flops. Fortunately for me, I was able to bring in enough money to support myself even in the midst of that COVID crisis. All powered by a laptop and a simple internet connection, of course. I was so inspired by my online ventures that I decided to start Conventures. And, if you're into watching videos about earning money online, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. This is a quick disclaimer. I am a partner/affiliate for this program. What this means is when you make a purchase through the links below, I earn a commission, but there's no additional charge for you. And of course, my goal is to always provide a clear, honest, and accurate review so you can make a well-informed decision for yourselves. So, of course, I will strive to be as honest and accurate as possible. So, now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's go over the first thing, the most important thing, the meat and potatoes. What is OLSP? It is an online platform providing you with free and paid courses that teach students on how to make money through a business structure, none other than affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Basically, TLDR, it's a business model revolving around you making money by selling other people's products or services. The creator of this platform is Wayne Crow. He is a very successful entrepreneur making millions of dollars in sales. Wayne also helps others in beginning their journey in online businesses as well. He's bringing in over 15 years of experience in affiliate marketing to put like the icing on the cake, just to top it off. So, I know you're wondering like how to get started. Well, first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for OLSP. Finding the link to do this can be from the homepage or in affiliate's content. I also have a link in the description for you to join, by the way. It will be in the description. It'll probably also be in the pinned comment, so do not worry. The second thing you want to do is after you sign up, they will offer you some links that you can promote. Some examples would be Magic Link and Mega Link, etc., etc. After this, you will buy online courses to educate yourselves on learning how to use different techniques to generate traffic to promote your link. This can vary from social media to email lists, pretty much whatever you feel comfortable with, right? Then at this point, you will apply what you've learned from them online courses, detailing on how to get traffic to get clicks to your links. And finally, of course, your potential leads should find your links and join the OLSP system themselves. From this point on, any courses or programs that they buy within OLSP gives you the credit, and thus you gain commission. Now, what's the cost of this platform? Oh, by the way, just throwing this out here, OLSP stands for One Lead System Pixel. So, One Lead System Pixel offers the basics on affiliate marketing free of charge, but if you wanted to promote it, then it would only cost you $7. That's the minimum. They also offer out monthly membership fees, and you get more education, more access to high quality training, and bigger commissions in return if you do decide to take that jump to the next level, right? So, is it a scam? No, OLSP is not a scam because I've used it as of recently and have made my first commission in just under 2 weeks, give or take. So, it's not a scam by any means. The same $7 that you put into the platform, you can get that money back just like me, and in under 2 weeks. You can get that same $7 back. Plus the amount of information that's within OLSP is worth. So it's so far from being a scam, bro. It's ridiculous. It's not even close. So the good in this is it has a incredible community backing it up. Excuse me. Amazing earning potential. The amount that you can make with this is kind of like damn near limitless, I would say. If you apply everything that they provide you with, like the information that they provide you with, if you apply that the right way, yeah, it's really up there. The amount of money that you can make. They also have a diverse amount of courses. It's like a lot. I know I was talking about traffic generation, but they have like list building, how to manage your social media, how to run ads. Like they pretty much have everything that you would really need to know about affiliate marketing. I know one of my friends referred to OLSP as Map Junior because that's pretty much what it is. And finally, $7, pretty low. It's a low cost to get in, right? So that's all we got for the good. Now, the bad with this is that you do have to pay to promote it, but given that it's such a small amount, I'm not sure if that's really a bad, right? But I know some people, for some people, it could be like a deal breaker. You have to be pretty bad on your luck for $7 to be a deal breaker for you to not get in OLSP. But anyway, here's an actual bad though. Some products have a no refund policy. So being that a lot of the products up here being digital products, sometimes they don't have a refund policy. So once you spend it and you get the product, here's what it is. Like they got it all over the place. It's in small print, but it's still there. Like, hey man, you drop $400 on it, you gonna have to stick with it. And the third thing is you got to be patient. You got to trust the process. You have to trust the process. I can't stress this enough. You have to be patient. You got to believe that this will work. You have got to have that mindset. If you don't have it, you won't get anywhere.
Chicken noodles. I was gonna cook some greens with you. Want some green beans?
Sure. This man interrupted me while I was recording. But anyway.
Oh, sorry. I'm just trying not to eat so late.
I get you. Sorry. Finally, you have to be patient. You have to trust the process. I can't stress this enough. You got to have the mindset that this will work. You got to believe that this will work. You have to have the belief, the determination. If you don't have this, you're not going to get anywhere with this. I'm sorry to tell you. But affiliate marketing it's a very rough road. Easy to get into compared to all these other business models that I have studied over the years. It's very easy to get into. And it's not really getting saturated anytime soon because it's just marketing, right? So just trust me on this, right? Just trust in me and trust in yourself. Okay? That this will work. Because it will. My final ruling, my final say-so in this, is that it's a very good program and it is very impressive. You just heard me compare it to MAP, Master Affiliate Profits. If you don't know what that is, I have done a video on it. I'm probably going to do another video on it, an updated video covering the program again. But yeah, I compared it to MAP because that's what it feels like. Strong earning potential for both beginners and experienced individuals. If you wanted to get a break, like your first commission ever, I would highly recommend OLSP. This would be my number one recommendation if you was trying to get your first commission. No doubt it would be OLSP. So, yeah. If you are interested in this, you can get started with this program by clicking the link in the pinned comment below. And if you make a purchase through my link in the pinned comment below, I will give you some freebies worth $1,800. So the first one will be a one-on-one call with me personally. I value my time quite a lot, so that's going to be valued at $900. The second freebie is going to be 30 days of email and direct messaging priority, where I'll make sure to respond to any of your messages within 24 hours. I will also value that at $900, just to make sure you can overcome any roadblocks on your journey to success. How do I get this again? By clicking the link in the pinned comment below and making a purchase. Okay. But maybe you don't want to invest in OLSP. Maybe you want to see if there's better options out there. So you're probably asking me, are there really better options out there? Yes, there is. I would like to introduce you to high value / high ticket affiliate marketing. Basically selling other people's products for $1,000 or higher. What's the difference? Well, unlike regular affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing does the complete opposite. So pretty much the same benefits. Keeping stock is not needed. One sale can generate a big payout. There's no need to handle customer service. Hiring staff is not needed. You don't have to create your own product. It's easier to become self-employed. It's a great way to create passive income. There's low startup costs. You can work anywhere, anytime you want. And it's easy to achieve time and financial freedom. Same thing as regular affiliate marketing, but you're just getting paid a lot more. You can get started with this by, of course, using my free gift. It is an online course. You can get this free course from the link and the pinned comment below. This will teach you everything you need to get started. With that being said, I appreciate you for watching this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you want more content in the future. And of course, check out the free gift in the pinned comment below. This has been Kevon from Conventures. Take care, stay blessed, have yourselves a damn good one, and I will see you guys in the next one.